Hi everyone, welcome back to Auto Updater Cars, your go-to place for the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Modified Mazda 2025, a bold evolution of Mazda's signature design language combined with cutting-edge performance and personalization. Right off the bat, the 2025 Mazda stands out with its aggressive new front fascia. The signature Kodo design has been sharpened, with sleeker LED headlights, a larger gloss black grille, and sculpted air vents that give it a more commanding presence. The modified version we're reviewing today takes it even further, with a custom carbon fiber splitter, upgraded 19-inch alloy wheels, and a lowered suspension that hugs the road like never before. Under the hood, the stock Mazda 2025 offers a refined 2.5-liter turbocharged Sky-Activ-G engine, pushing out around 280 horsepower. But this modified version, tuned to squeeze out over 320 horsepower, thanks to a high-flow intake, AQ remap, and a performance exhaust system that gives it a deep, throaty growl. It's not just about looks. This thing moves, and it moves fast. Inside, the cabin is just as impressive. Mazda has gone full premium for 2025, with Nappa leather, a 12.3-inch curved infotainment display, and an updated driver assist suite. Our modified build features red contrast stitching, carbon accents, and a custom steering wheel with paddle shifters, blending sportiness with luxury in the best way. One of the highlights of the 2025 model is its upgraded iActiv AWD system, which ensures better grip and responsiveness, especially in tight corners and on slippery roads. Paired with adaptive suspension and dynamic stability control, it offers a driving experience that's both confident and thrilling. And let's not forget the tech. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, advanced voice controls, a 360-degree camera, and even an augmented reality heads-up display. The modified version adds extra ambient lighting, upgraded sound insulation, and a booming 12-speaker Bose audio system to top it all off. So, if you're looking for a car that combines Japanese reliability, performance tuning potential, and head-turning style, the modified Mazda 2025 is definitely worth checking out. That's it for today's review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more updates from Auto Updater Cars. Let us know in the comments what you think about this new Mazda and what car you'd like us to feature next. See you in the next video.